Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ladia Ann Silvis and I go by Coach Ladia Ann as well. And today I want to talk about enjoying yourself. And for a moment, when is the last time did you ever take the time to enjoy yourself? I want you to take the time right now. If you're listening to this video, after this video, I want you to do something to enjoy yourself, because that is going to help you actually value your self-worth. It's going to give you space and time to do the things you enjoy, and it's going to make you feel better. You're going to feel really good and confident, and you're going to be happy. Okay, when you include the following, such as listening to music, reading or writing, doing some type of sports, maybe you love cooking, maybe you like meeting friends, maybe you like to help people, maybe you have a loved one or relative that someone needs help, maybe you are a caregiver, and you just love helping people and you just want to serve them. Maybe you have something that you enjoy. You like activities to do research. Maybe you like gardening or walking, doing some kind of physical activity, or probably playing with your children. If you have any children, you can contribute with their life. Or besides, you might like watching a good movie, or having a laugh with someone, or traveling, or painting, or looking at scenery. How about going to the beach, going to a beautiful mountain area where you can look down and see the beautiful sky and the sunset going down? How about finding about new things and being more creative in the things that you love to see that you have not and you would like to? Or maybe working on a particular project or a role that you value and enjoy. Maybe something that you want to volunteer, campaigning something for a good cause. It could be, of course, very exhaustive, but at the end result, you're going to feel good because you have stimulated something inside of you to keep you going and enjoying life, which keeps you happy. And this is going to actually help you when you make the time to enjoy yourself. You're going to be a better person, you're going to value yourself more, and you're going to love yourself more. All right, everyone, thank you for listening to this short little video. Hope everybody take this tip seriously. Make sure when you get off this channel watching me and watching my videos, don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments, and also do something to enjoy yourself today. Make yourself happy today and value yourself today. All right, take care, everyone. See you in the next video.